Hello, it's Britt with ShirtSpace. Welcome to our t-shirt comparison video series, where we take two shirts and, you guessed it, talk about just how similar and how different they really are. Today we're going to look at the Bella+Canvas 3001C and the Next Level 3600. Very similar shirts, but just how similar are they? We're going to take a look. Stay tuned. Both of these shirts are a favorite in the garment decoration industry for a number of reasons, including their superior fabric, retail fit, and affordable prices. The Bella+Canvas 3001C and the Next Level 3600 are unisex shirts that everyone loves, and we mean everyone. From clothing decorators to people purchasing for large groups or organizations, and even the ShirtSpace staff, we all love these shirts. Okay, let's get into it a bit further. First, sizing and fit. Like I already mentioned, these are both unisex shirts that feature a more fashion-forward and retail fit, and they each have side seams to help achieve that fit. The 3001C is available in sizes extra small all the way up to 5XL. The Next Level 3600 is available from size extra small to 4XL, so one slight difference there. The Bella+Canvas 3001C is barely lighter at 4.2 ounces compared to the Next Level 3600's 4.3 ounce weight. Comparable in quality and probably indistinguishable to the average person, someone dealing with t-shirts regularly might be able to tell the difference ever so slightly. The 3001C is made from 100% heirloom combed and ring spun cotton, except the ash color, which is 1% polyester. Whereas the 3600 is made from 100% ring spun fine cotton jersey, with the heathered gray being an exception of 90% cotton and 10% polyester fabric. When I compare the two, I feel like the Next Level 3600 is just a little bit smoother and softer, but that's just my opinion. You might feel differently. Because these shirts are both 100% cotton, they're both ideal for all sorts of methods to customize clothing, such as screen printing, heat transfer vinyl, tie-dye, embroidery, and more. Now let's talk about a few more things these shirts have in common. They are both pre-shrunk and have side seams like I mentioned. They also have Tearaway Labels and 1x1 baby rib knit set-in collars. One thing the Bella+Canvas 3000C has over the 3600 is that it comes in a much larger variety of colors, a whopping 60. The Next Level 3600 comes in at just about half of those with 33 color options. You can find both these shirts at ShirtSpace.com, the best place to visit for all your blank apparel needs. Here at ShirtSpace, we understand tough deadlines, business obstacles, and client demands. We hope that this shirt comparison video helps you navigate a little better through the world of buying blank wholesale apparel. If you have some tees you'd like us to compare, or you have a burning blank apparel question, then make sure to mention it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications, and have an awesome day.